Hey singers, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. I'm Kalena, and today we're going to be tackling a topic that is just so personal to me right now, which is all about how to get your singing voice back on track after a cold or the flu. And yep, I've been a little bit under the weather myself over the last few days, still am. The seasons have changed, and I know that some of you might also be going through the same thing. So let's dive in and start this recovery journey together. And here are my 5 steps to getting your voice back on track. So step 1 is hydration. So first and foremost, we cannot underestimate the power of hydration. Your vocal cords are craving moisture, especially after the assault of a cold or the flu. So make sure that you're drinking plenty of water. Indulge in some soothing herbal teas. I do love herbal teas, especially with honey, and perhaps try some steam inhalation, which I've been doing just to give my vocal cords that extra bit of love and hydration. And remember, hydration really helps to break down mucus and ensures the vocal cords remain flexible and healthy. And then step 2 is all about gentle vocal exercises. So it's all about easing your voice back into using it again. So opt for vocal exercises like humming and strawing. Trust me, your vocal cords will thank you for not really rushing that process, but consistent gentle exercises that are really just going to help to gradually rebuild that strength in your voice, and this is just going to happen over time without that additional strain. So yeah, gentle exercises is step 2. And then step 3 is all about rest. And this is a big one. You've got to rest. Your vocal cords have been through the ringer. Our vocal cords have been through the ringer and they need time to heal. So avoid whispering and minimize talking, which is obviously what I'm not doing right now because I'm talking for this video. But yeah, this means giving your voice a break from singing, which I am doing. I'm giving my voice a rest from singing and ensuring that you're catching enough Z's, as when you getting enough sleep is so crucial for your body because it really helps with your vocal cords and just aiding in that recovery process. But if you're anything like me, you might find it difficult to rest, as obviously I'm doing right now because I'm doing this video. But I really wanted to help, especially if anyone's going through this at the same time as me, just to help get us all back on track. Then number 4 is avoid irritants. So step 4 is just all about creating a voice-friendly environment, keeping it free from smoke, strong scents, spicy foods, and just any other irritants, keeping them at bay, maintaining a moisturized environment, and perhaps even using a humidifier if you need to help soothe your throat and your vocal cords. And then step 5 is all about professional help. So never hesitate to seek professional help and guidance, especially if your voice isn't, making the progress that you'd hoped for it to make, or if it hurts, if you're feeling pain when you're singing or speaking. Seek professional help, consult with a doctor or a vocal coach because they're going to be able to provide you with the specialized guidance, just to ensure that there's nothing more serious at play with your voice. And those are my 5 steps. My 5-step guide to really helping getting your singing voice back on track after the cold or a flu. And remember, I am right there with you on this recovery journey because I'm going through it right now myself. And, with the right time and care, we're going to be back to singing our hearts out soon for sure. But that's pretty much it from me. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with any friends, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more singing tips and tricks. That would be much appreciated. I'd love it, and it just would really support the channel. Also, you can download my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. There's a whole bunch of vocal training videos, challenges, and vocal workouts on my app, and it's free to download on the App Store and Google Play. So get that today, and thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.